Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris Dominguez. I'm over here on the EWG tap water database, and I'm actually going to pull up the neighborhood that I live in. This is North Long Beach area. So our featured water utility is called Long Beach Water Department. It currently serves around 470,000 people in the city of Long Beach. I'm going to view this utility. So EWG's drinking water quality report shows results of tests conducted by the water utility and provided to the EWG Environmental Working Group by the California State Water Resources Control Board, as well as information from the U.S. EPA Enforcement and Compliance History Database. For the latest quarter assessed by U.S. EPA, January 2021 through March 2021, tap water provided by this water utility was in compliance with federal health-based drinking water standards. So contaminants detected, there are 12 that exceed EWG health guidelines and 30 total contaminants. Just to note, legal does not necessarily equal safe. Getting a passing grade from the federal government does not mean the water meets the latest health guidelines. Legal limits for contaminants in tap water have not been updated in almost 20 years, and the best way to ensure pollution out of source water in the first place. Now, let's go ahead and see what these contaminants are. Oh, here we go. All right. So contaminants detected. The big one is arsenic. The potential effect is cancer causing. Now, this utility has 2.94 parts per billion, and the EWG health guideline is 0.004 parts per billion. The legal limit is actually 10 parts per billion. There's another chemical called bromochloriacetic acid. It's incredibly hard for me to pronounce. It's one of the first times I've seen that word. Try to pronounce it out loud. That's 187 times the guidelines from EWG. 3.75 parts per billion. There's no legal limit precedented for this chemical. The next one we see is bromodichloromethane. The potential effect is cancer. This is 111 times EWG health guideline. This utility has 6.67 parts per billion, and the EWG guideline is 0.006 parts per billion. Here's another one, bromoform, potential cancer-causing agent and chemical. This utility has 2.23 parts per billion, and the EWG health guideline is 0.5 parts per billion. This is chloroform. That's the stuff that they use in like movies and stuff and TV shows to gas people and knock them unconscious. So this utility has 7.84 parts per billion, and the EWG health guideline is at 0.4 parts per billion. This next one is dibromyacetic acid. It's 61 times the EWG health guideline at 2.44 parts per billion. And another one we have inside of our tap water is dibromochloromethane with a potential cancer-causing effects. This utility has 6.4 parts per billion with the EWG health. So these are just a few of the potential cancer-causing and health alarming chemicals that are inside of your water if you live in North Long Beach. Go check out the EWG database, and you can actually look up by zip code to see how much contaminants are in your water. And if you'd like to learn how to get a premium water filter that has a lifetime warranty that does filter out some of these harmful contaminants, hit me up and we can get you set up with a discovery call. Thank you.